Hey everybody, my name's George, I'm one of Obubu's staff members, and today we're going to be brewing Pine Needle Wakoucha. So you will have received this in your tea club shipment, so I hope you enjoy. So, what do we need to brew Pine Needle Wakoucha? We need tea, a kyusu, a pitcher, some cups, some hot water. So first, some of the tea. So, using around 90 degrees Celsius, I then want to steep the tea for around 90 seconds. It's got this fantastic clear amber liquor colour. Really sweet, fruity, sour note, fantastic colour. Smells good. Got a beautiful liquor colour. Japanese black tea generally is quite a rare product, and for it to be in this pine needle shape, having gone through the sencha process, is incredibly unusual. So we really hope you enjoy this very delicious tea. The cultivar of this tea is Yabukita, quite a common cultivar in Japan, but one that is really delicious and is fantastic for making this particular pine needle wakoucha. Now you need to see this tea leaf. Those big leaves, big delicious leaves. So that brings the video to a close today. Thank you so much for watching how we harvested and processed our tea, and then my tea brewing recommendations. None of this would have been possible without the support of our tea club members, and with their help we're able to produce videos like this, but also experiment with different teas like this too, as well as maintaining the tradition of tea production in Wazuka. So thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoy your tea club shipment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you!